Hi everyone, Bing, Microsoft's search engine, offers a user-friendly platform for finding information online. Whether you're looking for news, images, videos, or general web pages, Bing can help you find what you need. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of performing a search on Bing. Step 1. Accessing Bing. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to Bing. In the address bar, type www.bing.com and press Enter. This will take you to Bing's homepage. Step 2. Performing a basic search, locate the search bar. On the Bing homepage, you'll find a search bar in the center of the page. Enter your search query. Click on the search bar and type in what you're looking for. For example, best coffee shops in New York. Initiate the search, press enter or click the search icon, magnifying glass, to start your search. Step 3. Reviewing and refining. Search results, browse the results. Bing will display a list of relevant web pages, images, videos, and news articles based on your query. Refine your search. Use the tabs All, Images, Videos, News, etc. at the top of the results page to narrow down the type of content you're seeking. Advanced search options. For more specific results, consider using Bing's advanced search options like adding quotation marks for exact phrases or using filters for time, region, and file type. Step 4. Using Bing's features image and video search. For visual content, use the Images or Videos tabs. Here you can filter by size, color, type, and more. News and maps. Bing also offers dedicated sections for the latest news and geographic searches. Safe search settings. Adjust your safe search settings in Bing's preferences to filter adult content from your search results. Step 5. Exploring additional tools, rewards, and personalization. Sign in with your Microsoft account to earn rewards and personalize your search